So today we are going to talk about some of the problems one may face when choosing a leisure activities. There are those problems that you might incur while choosing the type of leisure activity to engage in. Number one is lack of time for leisure. You might want to travel, but you find out that you do not have time. Like now you have studies. And later in life, maybe you'll be working or taking care of your family. Also, lack of parental control. Yes. When you're choosing a leisure, you might find that your parent cannot do what? Cannot control you in that particular what? Leisure activity. What does a lack of parental control mean in the aspect of problems that you may face while choosing a leisure activity? Yes, Samuel, explain. We are talking about problems one may face when choosing leisure activities, and then we are saying that one of the problems is lack of parental control. It is whereby when choosing a leisure, you might engage in activities that need parental control, but you lack it. Therefore, you end up abusing the leisure activity. Also, we have financial constraints. Yes, and I'll still give the example of traveling. If you want to travel to maybe a different country and you're this young, you may discover that you need a lot of money in order to engage in that leisure activity. Or when you're engaging in a leisure activity like reading Christian books or material, you might think in order for you to buy that Christian book is expensive and you do not have the finances to cater for it. Also, the incapability of choosing a leisure activity. You might also be incapable because you might not know the right leisure activity for you. Also, commercial exploitation is whereby some of the leisure activities which are good for you, you might find that people know that most people engage in those leisure activities and they might take what? Advantage. For example, those who engage in leisure activities like playing of PS, yes, it's expensive if you do not have your own PlayStation. So, the people who offer those games can take the advantage because they know most people are engaging in such a leisure activity and take advantage of you and your the finances that you have. From there,